Hello everyone, welcome to Rishmi Sharma classes again. And today we will discuss metal alkyl complex, in which we will discuss chemical properties of transition metal alkyne. Right guys, so first one is reaction with nucleophile. This is most important question which is generally asked in your exams. So reaction with nucleophile. The alkyne complexes of transition metal in higher oxidation state and the cationic alkyne complex are attacked by nucleophiles on the coordinated alkyl complex group, just like this. Here is an example from where we can show this complete formation. Just a minute. We took just this example with phenylic complex with iron as a central metal atom with methyl ligands, right? Here, this one is complex which is attacking. You can say behave as attacking. Methyl group with lithium complex, it will attack on this position. So the complex formation will be something like this, that methyl will remove from here and combine to this. So CpCOP with oxygen phenylic group and iron is central metal atom with carbon methylic group and phenyl. Right guys, here lithium is with electropositive nature because methyl group is removed from here and attack to this, right? So another example is something like this. From here we can use H positive. In this we have used Li positive, and in this H positive will get removed, right guys? It means hydrogen ion. Here lithium ion will remove, here hydrogen ion will remove. This is methylic complex of carbon, and in this you can say this is rearrangement of this complex, and H positive will get removed. So this is our nucleophile reaction. That how can we say that nucleophile will attack on this complex, right? Next one is reaction with electrophiles. What will be the electrophilic nature? Just a minute. The alkyne complex of transition metal in low oxidation state can be attacked by electrophiles on coordinated alkynes. It is a sixth additional reaction. So in this example, tungsten will behave as a central metal atom with carbon methyl complex, which is 5 coordinated sites. So when this reaction takes place in hydrochloric acid in the presence of water molecule, then the complex formation will be something like this. That carbon-carbon have double bond and methyl group is attached to it, and another side formation is attacked by hydrogen. It means hydrogen is getting a position. Next example will be this. This is the same type of example with helium. Here the complex formation which will be in the presence of hydrogen bromofluoride. So the structure will be something like this, which is cis oct of 4-ene. Here is a ene bond formation. It means double bond formation. Another example will be taken as with molybdenum, and this complex will be in the presence of hydrochloric acid with water molecules. It means you can say in aqueous formation, in the presence of aqueous state. So the structure will be cis but2-ene. Alright guys. Third one property is displacement reaction. How the metal alkyl will take place in displacement reaction. The coordinated alkyne molecules can be displaced by other alkyne molecules or other ligands. Here we have took example of platinum metal with methylic complex, and this is a long formation, you can see. When this react with another alkyl group, and we can took any alkyl group from here or here, right guys? So the formation will be this. You can write this CH2 and CH2, right? This is a ethyne complex, and platinum complex will bond to each other and will get formed this type of complex. This is another example. You can take screenshot for remembering this. After this, these were some properties, or you can say chemical properties of transition metal alkyl complex. These are some important property, you can say. These are three important properties of alkyne metal complex which you can remember for exam. If do you want to discuss about any other properties, then you can comment me, and you can easily prepare notes from here, guys. So thanks everyone.